Hello everyone, how are you all doing out there? I'm Kate Hill, bringing you, I hope, the best unbiased and honest content on property, along with some fantastic hints and tips. Today, stay tuned to hear how Australia's medical infrastructure boom is creating property goldmines. Property investment has always been about identifying the right opportunities at the right time. As cities evolve and expand, certain sectors offer significant potential for property investors, and one of the most promising among these is the burgeoning medical infrastructure. With substantial hospital projects cropping up across Australia, savvy investors are positioning themselves to capitalise on the rising demand for housing in these newly developed medical precincts. So let me give you a case study. Adelaide, obviously in South Australia, it serves as a prime example of how hospital infrastructure can really transform the local property market. In 2017, the city completed the Royal Adelaide Hospital, a monumental project with a construction cost of over $3.5 billion. At the time, it was not only the most expensive single building in Australia, but also ranked as the third most expensive building in the world. Hard to believe. The state-of-the-art facility, housing more than 6,000 staff members, triggering a significant surge in property values in the vicinity. The influx of healthcare professionals and support staff drove up rental demand, resulting in strong capital growth for properties near the hospital. Investors who entered the market early have reaped substantial rewards, demonstrating the potential of timing when it comes to property investment in areas undergoing this significant infrastructure development. Adelaide's position as a health hub is set to strengthen further with the construction of the Women's and Children's Hospital. Budgeted at $3.2 billion and slated for completion in 2030, this project is expected to continue the trend of boosting local property values. The ongoing development solidifies Adelaide's reputation as one of the leading healthcare precincts globally, making it an attractive proposition for property investors who are seeking long-term capital growth. Strategic timing, of course, is the key to maximising returns. The success of property investment around medical infrastructure hinges on timing. Investors stand to benefit the most when, obviously, they buy properties before the completion of major hospital projects. During this pre-completion phase, property values tend to remain still on that lower side, offering that window of opportunity for astute investors. As the project nears completion and the associated job creation starts to materialise, demand for housing in the area increases, obviously, which drives up prices. Further price growth is anticipated as hospitals attract a new wave of students for medical training and stimulate interstate migration due to the employment opportunities they create. Investors who enter the market early and hold their properties through the development and operational phases are likely to see the most significant returns. While Adelaide offers a compelling case study, it is by no means the only Australian city where medical infrastructure is creating property investment hotspots. Across the country, several other hospital projects are underway, each presenting unique opportunities for investors. In Queensland, the $1.1 billion expansion of the Redcliffe Hospital is one of these standout projects. The expansion will add 204 new beds and significantly enhance the hospital's existing services. Expected to be completed by 2028, the project is also anticipated to support over 2,500 jobs. The ripple effect on the local property market is likely to be significant, with increased demand for housing as the hospital expands its operations. Similarly, the Gold Coast University Hospital, ranked as the 7th best hospital in Australia, is another hotspot for property investors. Nearby suburbs such as Nerang offer affordable entry points for investors looking to capitalise on the proximity to this top-rated medical facility. In New South Wales, the John Hunter Hospital in Newcastle is one of the top 20 hospitals nationally. It's a big place. The nearby suburbs of Madawi, with its proximity to both the hospital and beaches of Port Stephens, presents an attractive option for investors seeking affordability and growth potential. Western Australia's Joondalup Health Campus, a modern healthcare facility has also catalysed property market growth in nearby suburbs like Hillary's. With a mix of million-dollar homes and more affordable units, this area offers a range of investment opportunities. Finally, in Victoria, the Frankston Hospital has undergone already significant upgrades, making the nearby suburbs of Seaford, for example, an area to watch for investors. Although the rental yield may be lower, and we now have all those state land taxes to deal with down there, the prospects for capital growth remain really strong, particularly as the Mornington Peninsula continues to develop. So the ongoing boom in medical infrastructure across Australia is creating a wealth of opportunities for property investors. By strategically investing in areas around these major hospital projects, you can tap into rising demand for housing, which is driven by job creation, student influx, interstate migration. The key to success lies in timing the market there, buying in before project completion and holding the property to capitalise on the resulting capital growth. Cities like Adelaide, Newcastle, Gold Coast, they continue to expand their medical infrastructure. The potential for lucrative returns in these areas remains robust. But of course, don't forget and don't ignore all those other growth drivers. I will keep you posted about all things property across Australia as our year progresses. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you are enjoying all the free content, and I will see you all soon. Bye.